Today, if you ask a child about house sparrows, he perhaps would know this bird exists, but probably wouldn't have seen it. The house sparrow is a very social bird. It is gregarious during all seasons when feeding, often forming flocks with other species of birds. The house sparrow is not only among the most commonly found bird species in urban cities, but also the most loved. It is a small brown-colored bird, not bigger than a tennis ball, with black streaks on its back. The male and female are easily distinguishable, not in size but in coloration. House sparrows eat mostly grains and seeds, as well as livestock feed and, in cities, discarded food. Among the crops they eat are corn, oats, wheat, and sorghum. Wild foods include ragweed, crabgrass and other grasses, and buckwheat. House sparrows readily eat birdseed including millet, milo, and sunflower seeds. House sparrow eggs are small, approximately 0.6 inches in diameter, and range in color from white to gray, or can sometimes have a greenish tint. Eggs will also have brown specks or spots. Sparrows typically lay eggs during the nesting period in early spring and summer. Sparrows usually fly at the speed of 24 miles per hour. When needed, in the case of danger, they can accelerate to the speed of 31 miles per hour. Sparrow is a symbol of loyalty in Japan, owing to its friendly nature and ability to live in groups. Sparrows can survive between 4 and 5 years in the wild. Sparrows, known for their resourcefulness, are considered lucky in many traditions. They symbolize protection, and the presence of these birds is thought to bring good luck to the household. Millions of people starve to death. Sparrows also play a vital role in the food chain. They feed on small insects and worms such as caterpillars, beetles, and aphids. Some of these creatures destroy plants, and the sparrow helps keep their numbers in. Sparrow is strongly associated with human habitation and can live in urban or rural settings. Though found in widely varied habitats and climates, it typically avoids extensive woodlands, grasslands, polar regions, and hot, dry deserts far away from human development. For sustenance, the house sparrow routinely feeds at home and public bird feeding stations, but naturally feeds on the seeds of grains, flowering plants, and weeds. It is extensively and usually unsuccessfully persecuted as an agricultural pest. It has also often been kept as a pet, as well. However, it is an opportunistic, omnivorous eater and commonly catches insects, their larvae, caterpillars, invertebrates, and many other natural foods. Predation. Sparrows' main predators are cats and birds of prey, but many other animals prey on them, including corvids, squirrels, and even humans. The house sparrow has been consumed in the past by people in many parts of the world, and it still is in parts of the Mediterranean. Most species of birds of prey have been recorded preying on the house sparrow in places where records are extensive. Accipiters and the merlin in particular are major predators, though cats are likely to have a greater impact on house sparrow populations. The house sparrow is also a common victim of roadkill. On European roads, it is the bird most frequently found dead. Nesting. Nest sites are varied, though cavities are preferred. Nests are most frequently built in the eaves and other crevices of houses. Holes in cliffs and banks and tree hollows are also used. Especially in warmer areas, the house sparrow may build its nests in the open, on the branches of trees, especially evergreens and hawthorns, or in the nests of large birds such as storks or magpies.